This is some further resources as a reminder for the high-level students, but you don't have to do so if you are the beginners. The object topics or words you choose. 1. It should not be too recent, as it will be little source to arouse public awareness. 2. It shouldn't be too sensitive or controversial if you're not so sure, unless you are an expert. 3. It shouldn't be too hard to prove it right, or you'll be easily become one-sided opinion. 4. It shouldn't be too distractful or uninteresting to you, and therefore it will be the same to others as well.